Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from the Instructables website. Today, we're building a table lamp that looks like a book. It's a book lamp. For this project, you need some basic things. Knife, glue, LEDs, paper, a book, you know, simple stuff. Let's get started. First, you're gonna figure out where your LEDs are gonna go. Open the book to the middle, glue all the pages together, leaving the middle separated, because that's where your LEDs are going. Once that glue is dried, you're going to cut some of the pages out of the center of the book. Draw on it to make sure that you make it the correct size, and then start tearing that knowledge out of the book. Once you've removed all of your pages, take and glue the inside of the pages together and insert LEDs. Now finally, we're going to glue a piece of paper to the inside of the book to act as a diffuser for the LEDs. Once you're done, put it somewhere pretty that you can look at. You have yourself a book of light. However, I will warn you that you cannot have the light without the dark. As the philosopher Yoda once said, fear is the path to the dark side. Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering. Thanks so much for watching. Check back soon to see another episode from the Instructables website. If you haven't already, go down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release an episode. And as always, be fanciful. Oh, you're still with me? Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.